Are you looking for a budget-friendly electric bike that doesn't compromise on power, speed, or performance? Whether you're looking for a fun way to commute, a way to explore the outdoors, or simply need an eco-friendly solution to get around, electric bikes are a game changer. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 8 electric bikes on Amazon under $1,000, each offering amazing value for money without sacrificing quality. These bikes are perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy the freedom and benefits of riding an electric bike while staying within a budget. Let's dive in and discover the best options for 2026 that could take your riding experience to the next level. 1. Hoverfly Urea Electric Bike. First on our list is the Hoverfly Urea, a standout electric bike that delivers excellent performance and value for money. This bike reaches speeds of over 20 miles per hour, offering a range of 20 to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode you choose. The 374.4 Wh removable battery ensures you have ample power for longer rides, and the bike fully recharges in just 5 hours, making it a great option for those who need a quick turnaround. The Urea also features a solid build with excellent tires, praised by customers for their durability and traction. Whether you're commuting or just enjoying a weekend ride, this bike offers reliable performance with its high-capacity battery and smooth ride. Additionally, the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, perfect for urban commuting. At an affordable price of $899, the Hoverfly Urea is a steal for those looking for a high-performing electric bike without breaking the bank. 2. Clife City One Electric Bike. The Clife City One is a perfect option for those who want a reliable, all-rounder electric bike for everyday use. This step-over e-bike offers up to 40 miles of range on pedal assist level 1, thanks to its upgraded battery technology that provides 20% longer battery life than standard models. It's powered by a robust 750W motor that allows the bike to reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, making it ideal for city commuting or short rides. The front suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven roads, and the durable carbon steel frame adds to the bike's overall strength and longevity. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, the Clife City One is a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable and stylish e-bike. At $899, it offers an excellent balance of affordability and high-end features, making it a great option for both newcomers and experienced riders. 3. Jason EB5 Electric Bike. The Jason EB5 is a powerful electric bike designed for comfort and performance. With its 350W motor and peak 750W output, this bike can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for quick commutes or relaxed rides around town. The 360Wh removable battery offers a range of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge, ensuring that you'll have plenty of power for your journeys. Its 26-inch puncture-resistant tires are great for stability, and the full suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rougher terrain. The Jason EB5 also features a 7-speed gear system and disc brakes, which contribute to a safe and enjoyable experience. Weighing just 49.6 pounds, this high-carbon steel frame bike provides excellent stability while still being light enough for easy handling. Priced at $599, the Jason EB5 gives you great value for money with its robust features and smooth ride, making it an excellent budget choice. 4. Amiet EB26 Electric Bike. The Amiet EB26 is an electric bike that brings speed and power to the table. Powered by a high-speed motor with a top speed of 28 miles per hour, the bike's peak motor output reaches up to 500W, giving you all the power you need for uphill rides and longer journeys. The 7-speed gearing system ensures you can easily adjust your speed, while the fat tires are designed to handle all types of terrain, whether you're on a smooth road or a bumpy trail. With a sturdy triangular steel frame, this bike supports a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, making it a solid choice for riders of all sizes. Its rugged build and impressive performance make the Amiet EB26 a great option for those looking for a bike that can handle both rough conditions and everyday use. Additionally, The powerful motor and durable frame make it a great option for more challenging outdoor adventures. At $949, this bike offers great performance for a relatively affordable price, considering the high-quality components. 5. Gotrax Nano Electric Bike. If you're looking for a compact and convenient electric bike, the Gotrax Nano could be your perfect match. This lightweight e-bike is ideal for short commutes and casual rides, offering a 350W motor that can reach speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour. The 280.8 WH lithium battery provides a 25-mile range in electric mode or 40 miles with pedal assist, making it a great option for those looking to zip around town quickly. Its folding design allows for easy storage, while the 14-inch tires make it simple to maneuver in tight spaces. The Gotrax Nano is also equipped with dual disc brakes, an LED headlight, and a rear reflector, ensuring that your ride is safe, even at night. With its compact frame and easy portability, this bike is a top choice for city dwellers or anyone with limited storage space. The lightweight design also makes it convenient for carrying upstairs or onto public transport. Priced at $499, the Gotrax Nano is one of the most affordable options on this list, perfect for those on a budget. 6. Blue Biko Electric Bike. The Blue Biko Electric Bike offers one of the most powerful options on this list, with a 1000W motor that can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. It's equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery that extends the bike's range to 80 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer rides or weekend adventures. The 20-inch fat tires are anti-slip and puncture-proof, allowing for a smooth and stable ride across all types of terrain. Whether you're cruising through the city or riding on more challenging paths, this bike has you covered. The Blue Biko also features 3 riding modes and 5 levels of pedal assist, allowing you to customize your ride based on your needs. With its smart LCD display, you can monitor your speed, battery level, and mileage in real time, giving you full control over your ride. Additionally, the bike's lightweight frame and sturdy build offer exceptional durability for years of use. At $999, the Blue Biko offers excellent performance and a range that is hard to beat in this price range. 7. Gotrax S3 Electric Bike. The Gotrax S3 is a foldable electric bike designed for both convenience and performance. Powered by a 750W peak motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge in assist mode or 15.5 miles in pure electric mode. Its wide 16-inch tires provide stability and comfort, making it perfect for all types of urban terrain. With a full recharge in just 5 hours, the Gotrax S3 is ready to take on your next ride in no time. The bike's foldable design allows for easy storage, while the dual disc brakes ensure safe stopping power even at higher speeds. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend ride, the Gotrax S3 offers reliable performance at an affordable price. The foldable design makes it easy to store in a small apartment or office, and the compact frame ensures portability. At $599, the Gotrax S3 is an affordable and practical electric bike for those who want convenience and quality in one package. 8. Fifth Wheel Electric Bike. The Fifth Wheel Electric Bike is perfect for riders who need a bit more power and versatility. Equipped with a 500W brushless motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 23 miles per hour and handle hills with ease. Its 7-speed gear system makes it easy to shift gears depending on your riding conditions, and the front suspension absorbs bumps for a smooth ride. The 468WH removable battery offers a range of up to 25 miles in pure electric mode and up to 45 miles with pedal assist, ensuring that you can enjoy longer rides without worrying about running out of power. This bike also features bright headlights and reflectors for safety during night rides, making it a great choice for those who want a reliable all-weather e-bike. Lightweight, durable, and packed with features, the Fifth Wheel Electric Bike is an excellent option for anyone looking for an affordable yet powerful electric bike. The adjustable saddle and ergonomic handlebars make it easy to customize your ride for maximum comfort, while the reliable braking system ensures your safety at all times. At $899, this bike offers great value for money considering the robust features it provides. There you have it, top 8 budget electric bikes on Amazon under $1,000 that offer the perfect combination of power, range, and affordability. Whether you're looking for a compact city bike, a rugged, all-terrain option, or something that can tackle longer rides, there's a bike on this list for you. These bikes prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a high-quality electric bike with all the features you need. So, which of these bikes caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest and best products on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.